How to backup and restore OPPO Find X5 contact, chat and data. When we don't have any backup system, it is very dangerous to lose our data at the time when our OPPO Find X5 is stolen or damaged. Many users don't realize how important it is to have backup data. It is very important to give a warning to any Android users how to back up our data in secure locations. This phone was installed with Android 12 and ColorOS 13 when it was first introduced to the market. By default, there are some automatic backups that will work with our Google account, but sometimes the backup procedure does not work properly. So we have to recheck and make sure everything is working fine. This phone has multiple rear cameras, 50MP wide plus 13MP 2x optical zoom plus 50MP for 110 degrees ultra wide. OPPO Find X5 camera result is very good because it is enhanced with Hasselblad color calibration. Please make sure to back up all of your photo videos to a safe place. Follow the steps below to auto backup all media files to free cloud storage server with Google Photos. There are some apps that already store their data on the cloud, like Facebook, Instagram or Gmail, and some others. We can skip to back up some apps like this. Please note that some menus may differ due to Android firmware upgrade to the latest version. Simple backup and restore procedure in OPPO Find X5. On most of the OPPO smartphones, we can find the OPPO backup and restore procedure with simple one-click steps. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Open menu settings, additional settings, backup and reset. In some versions go to settings about phone. Please choose to turn on the backup my data option. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please choose to turn on the automatic restore option. To create a new backup, please click on the backup and restore menu, then click on the create a new backup button. Choose select all data to be backed up and press start backup button, then choose backup to phone storage or backup to external storage. To restore backup data, in steps number 6, we will see a list of backup data that was created before, then choose the date we want to restore. Make sure all the data we want to restore is selected and then click Start Restore. Wait for all data recovery on OPPO Find X5 to finish. OPPO Find X5 manual backup and restore procedure. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phone book on OPPO Find X5. Almost all of us will have many contacts or phone book data in our OPPO Find X5 which are very important for our activity. We have to back up all important data in a secure location. An important thing when using Android is that we can sync our contact data with the Google account. What we need to do is make sure that our phone is already logged in with our personal Google account. After signing in with a Google account, by default this phone will automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server, so we will have storage space for 2 phone books. One is on the OPPO Find X5 and the other is in the store contacts.google.com. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. Here are the steps to check that our OPPO Find X5 is already backed up to Google Cloud Server. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Open the menu settings users and account Google, and make sure your Gmail account is already set up. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please see our account and make sure sync is turned on. How to backup and restore data on OPPO Find X5. How to back up phone book or contact on OPPO Find X5 manually to email or cloud storage server. Besides backing up our contact in Google Cloud, we can also back up or export our contact or phone book in OPPO Find X5 by using Export List and Contact List. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Open Apps, Contacts. Choose all contacts to backup, Contacts menu, Export Contacts. Choose Export to a volume. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. We have to upload a new created backup file to the email attachment or cloud storage server. Finish backing up the OPPO Find X5 contact to the memory card. How to back up OPPO Find X5 photo? It is also important to back up the photo because with the good camera quality in OPPO Find X5, we will have many important photos for the special moments. There are several options for backing up our media such as photos and images on several sites. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Connect OPPO Find X5 to the computer with a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the OPPO Find X5 memory card, otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the OPPO Find X5, and choose Connect USB as media. If computer is already able to read data of OPPO Find X5 phone, use PC File Explorer to open some folders in OPPO Find X5, copy all folders or files to specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is already backed up, exported or copied without problem. OPPO Find X5 Restore Google_Photos Backup. Backup photos, videos of OPPO Find X5 to Google Photos Cloud Storage. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos apps on the OPPO Find X5. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose Upload Size with high quality, more files backed up with less file size. By default, photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when OPPO Find X5 is connected to Wi-Fi. OPPO Find X5 Restore Procedure. Restore backup contact from Google account on OPPO Find X5. If we reformat or hard reset OPPO Find X5, all data will be removed or erased, so we need to restore all contacts back to OPPO Find X5. This is how to restore. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Go to Settings Users and Account Google. Add our Google or Gmail account. At the first time, we can force Contact Sync to get back the contacts from Google server to our OPPO Find X5. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from email, cloud server to OPPO Find X5. Turn on OPPO Find X5. Download previous backup files from email attachment or cloud storage server. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts. Import contact. Choose Import from storage. Choose where we can save our contact. Choose to import vCard file. Follow the tips and tricks to fix and reset your OPPO Find X5. Restore backed up photos and videos from Google Photos in OPPO Find X5. Install Google Photos on our OPPO Find X5. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. Sign in to your previous Google account for Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when your OPPO Find X5 is connected to Wi-Fi, then our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history and media files on OPPO Find X5. WhatsApp is a popular chat app installed from the Google Play Store. We will have many confidential data and important chat history on WhatsApp, so we need to make sure that all data is backed up securely on our phones and also on cloud servers. Please follow these steps to back up and restore OPPO Find X5 WhatsApp history and media files on cloud server and local storage.